Alrighty. Everyone, welcome to me finding out that I'm going camping in like 30 minutes. So last night, Sam, who growing up me and Jacob were best friends with, he moved away to Colorado. It's been 10 years since I've seen him. He just came into town last night and I didn't realize we're going camping so soon. Jacob called me, he's like, hey, you ready to go camping like in an hour? And I was like, oh, I had some things to figure out quick. I'm mostly settled, mostly ready. Make sure I don't forget the vlog camera. Making sure I don't forget the vlog camera. This is a trip to, I don't even know where. I still don't know where we're going.
Shakes, I'll definitely meet you.
How far is it from us, like, out of the way?
From where you are now or from the campsite? It's like a 5-minute detour. It's not out of the way.
FYI, the 288 is coming up in like 3 miles on our right side.
Oh my god!
I think I still want to shit.
Look at all their prey.
Hey,
I think they're dead, right?
I don't blame you.
Yeah, go for it. Just don't get rabies.
Fair enough. What do we got?
10-4. That means okay.
Okay, good, because I was confused.
10-4.
I still don't know what you're saying.
4!
4!
No, you have to say 10.
Get over here!
Is that a knife?
Huh?
Go ahead.
Really?
Yeah, move out the way.
Jesus Christ.
I know it hit you.
It's a good throw. I want to try. It's like
I
this.
think we can still camp here. Let's go check the front and double check.
Dude, that spot looks perfect now.
Dude, where'd your
And there's
knife
a
go?
little setup, like, fire pit.
Yeah, they got the fire pit,
It's just right here.
Bastard.
some seating, I think. The only other thing that we'd have to deal with is just the people that came up and parked.
But it's kind of out of the way. I feel like no one's going to be here.
I don't know.
Head 4.
Alright, well, this is fucking gorgeous, and I'm pretty content with it.
Is
So,
this the river?
That's not the river. I did pee in that though.
this shit looks gas.
Rio Grande right here.
Tailwaters of the Colorado River. The IRL. This is actually where I'm Oh my god, this is so hopefully no mosquitoes.
They always come out at night.
I'm curious how it's still wet everywhere, like freshly wet. That'd be a good question.
In the desert?
We get rain.
We were driving through Daily. Donnie's like, this shit doesn't make any sense. It's like pouring rain. She's like, this is not what I was told.
Oh, green over here.
10-4.
Because it was really sandy back here.
Donnie has made the executive decision to return to the other road we were going down before.
Probably that rabbit or socks over. Honestly, bro, I would be so satisfied with the first spot.
I want us to end up there, but I don't want to like push us to not keep looking.
I want to end up there too,
I feel like we all kind of do.
but we also have all day. We might as well have look. But like, what's gonna be better? It's super secluded. We have a big river right next to us. It's green, and there's the toilet. I've had diarrhea.
He went the way we were going originally, not back up the trail.
Oh, gotcha. I'm headed the wrong way. They went that way.
How far do you go?
I see you. Quit your complaining.
I have you on my radar.
Copy that. Visual acquired.
We have a bogey.
Oh no! Hi, puppy. It's got a leash.
And a missing eye! Hi, dog. Where you going?
It's someone's dog.
Hey, buddy, come here. Come here. No. Oh, buddy, come here.
Wait, do you have a treat?
Yeah, that's not like wild. Come here. Hey, come here.
Where's
He knows where he's going. He definitely knows where he's going. He's cooking.
Like if he knows where his owner is.
All right, you want to go back and check on it? Oh.
Keep going forward?
No, I feel like we should go back and check on him.
Check on the dog.
Yeah.
Like drive up to him?
I think he's okay.
He seemed very unfit. I think he probably lives here. Like people are
He
dispersed.
didn't give a shit that we were even here.
Yeah. We should keep an eye out though. Maybe on the way back.
Yeah.
Okay.
just a little bit of off-roading. What can be better than this? My favorite sound is the sound of a cattle crossing. Oh boy.
Gets me going. Whoa. Yeah, I'm waiting for Carly's.
Jacob, what we got going on here?
Dinner. So we have some sausage cooking up, the old-fashioned style, like our ancestors, over a nice flame with mac and cheese. This isn't mac, this is shells.
With shells? Jacob, we're making chili mac.
Yeah,
Chili
shells and
mac
cheese.
shells.
You know what goes good with shells? What's the white one?
Alfredo?
Alfredo's.
That's what the powder is. It's
Nuh-uh.
white. Mm-hmm.
So it's white mac and cheese?
No, it's white shells and cheese.
Oh, got me there. Checkmate.
Oh, is it gonna overboil?
It might. That's why I go like this.
Oh, perfect. Oh wait, that actually helped a lot. You good?
Ah, smoke on all of my eyes. Ow, it's hot!
Whoa.
This is what dreams are made of,
Over here.
America. This is what dreams are made of.
Hard work. Blood, sweat, and tears. What?
I haven't seen that guy in 10 years. Campfire going. Hey.
Look at this. If you want salt, take off the top one. If you want pepper, boom. I have no idea what those two are, but if you want them, we got them.
Right now, we're waiting for Carly, Kennedy, and other people, but two other people. We're having a good time out here, I'll say that. Yeah, I'm wearing a fucking In-N-Out hat.
We got a big tent
Big tent.
with the help of new friends. I'm gonna go. That's transition, Matthew. You did it. Everyone ready? I got the camera filming.
All right, let's go.
Hey, we got Carly. Hey.
Kawita!
Hey. Kennedy.
Camping. Where's
Camp.
the camera at? Up there? Down there?
Down
Up-
here.
Down there.
Yep.
MTV Cribs. Come on in.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Guys, open it up. I
Panel
can't.
light.
How much do you pay for rent?
Out here?
I can't disclose that. Give us the story. Give us the story. But come on in.
I gotta wipe my shoes off before I get in here.
Please do. So we just moved in. So you know we gotta get it set up. This is my bed.
Hey.
Coming in.
Hey.
I'm coming in. Guys, Loki, I feel like we could all sleep in here. Like
Oh, for real?
Loki. Yeah, they're nice. Guy's not gonna kill it.
Why would we kill him?
It's on the vlog. I need to vlog it.
Holy
You want one?
shit. Wait, open it for him.
Okay.
It's actually a great photo.
Touch it.
Give him a little butt. Touch it, bro. You want a bite?
Hey, I feel like he's ready to. He's gonna come at someone.
Yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now.
He said, "Alright, you guys are done."
I'm not trying to play my cards the wrong way anymore.
Yeah. I think actually now.
Holy
Yeah, they love me now. He's like, you're part of us.
One of us.
That is
Alright, bro,
so
can we get out of here?
Let's send him this way.
Gas.
Oh, he's gonna
Oh,
square it
squared
up. Dude, alright. Dual time. Oh, he lost.
Y'all ready for this?
Get out of here.
This is our campsite, Scram Buster.
Don't come back
I don't think
again.
that's how wolf spiders work.
That's a wolf spider.
Jacob, you tell him.
So, right?
You tell him how we do it around here.
Big ass hairy spider. Oh wow, he's like, oh fuck.
He doesn't like the wind.
He is.
Hold on. I don't know.
pointing at you.
Stop it! You're bullying him. The
Okay,
hairs,
be
they-
nice to him because he didn't bite any of us.
They feed-
Do that to the
So
fucking
you're like,
scorpion.
you're giving him a heart attack. All right, let's let him be.
Yeah, I think
Bye,
he's
John.
out of. His name's Spencer.
Who found him?
Me.
All right, what's his name?
Hey.
I was personally thinking Jerry.
All right, Jerry. Stop fucking your sister. Get out of here, dude. Jerry.
He's gonna come hang later if he
Jerry,
feels
it's been
like
an
it. He's
honor,
not gonna move.
You're
My
No,
God.
I'm like paranoid that there's bugs in my
Wow,
water.
that was a
I need to
Oh,
check.
Benny.
It's clear. The water is safe.
Hey. We got tacos.
Oh wait. I could hit you.
Ooh.
Sick.
Yeah, what you
Now
know
we
about
need
me?
now we need to get like buttery smooth.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just go really fast. I'm like straight up gonna, you better go under because I'm just gonna hit you.
Okay, okay.
I haven't decided if I'm gonna hit you with my left. I'll hit you with the right. Yeah! Yo, you missed the one. Yeah, yeah. Nice. That was sick.
That was pretty cool.
So, come on down to boxinglessons.com where we tell you how to box and you can learn how to box.
With these. Lefty, righty. Bah, bah, huh, bah, huh.
We got another fire going. Holy shit, we got a good fire going.
My best.
Hey.
Wah! Hello everyone, how are we doing? I know, I did get a haircut. It always looks like my head shrinks a little bit. I go from Jimmy Neutron to Timmy Turner, something like that. Camping was amazing. I'm so glad that Sam made the trip down here. We got all of it organized, all of it put together last minute. That was a well-needed pure bliss. I enjoyed every minute of it. Everyone who went, guys, you all were super dope. But everyone, that is all from me. If you liked what you saw and you want to see more of it, we're posting on this channel weekly. We have vlogs, stream highlights, full streams. Those are going up throughout the week. We're trying to get stuff posted on Monday. Guys, make sure to also come look at our Twitch. I'm about to stream right now, actually. I have everything going. I'm about to play some Fortnite, and I hope you guys can join me one of these times. I've already streamed this time. You guys definitely, you can't get this message before I stream. So, alright, I'm stop tangenting. Everyone, I appreciate you. I'm gonna see you in the next vlog. Peace.